Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you flood fury in Assam, and right now I'm standing at my courtyard. As you can see right here, this is our courtyard, and through this our entrance gate, as you can see, water logging. This is our entrance gate, and it was our road, but it's completely right now submerged under the water. Let me show you something else. As you can see, this is our home, and that's our kitchen home, as you can see. And right now over here water is increasing very rapidly. As you can see, completely our washroom, our bathroom submerged under the water. Let me go these directions. Wow. So here my mom, she is doing worship to Lord Shiva as well as Lord Hanumana. As you can see, this is our tulsi plant, and that's our backyard. As you can see, there are lots of betel nut tree completely submerged, and right now we have also banana plant. This is also submerged, about to sink. I'm walking. So guys, right now I'm going to check out towards our neighbor's home. As you can see, this is our neighbor's home. It's already sink under the water. Look at this water pump. It's also submerged. As you can see, there are lots of flower plants in their courtyard, and right here some ducks are sailing on the water. As you can see, this is the Ritesh home. Ritesh is not here. He went towards their cousin's home, and they are completely evacuated their home. No one right now here. As you can see, this is their places, and this is their basement home. And that's their temple. Everything completely sinking right now. Wow. So right now I'm here inside the Ritesh kitchen room. As you can see, it was kitchen room, but right now this room is completely submerged. This is the devastation from my village. Right now I'm showing you. Wow. So guys, I'm going through this alley, another neighbor's home. Right now I'm walking. Let me go another room. So this is Mr. Rahman's home. There is no one right now. Everyone evacuated their place and they shifted somewhere else. Wow. Right now water high is my knee side. As you can see, there is bamboo, each and everything totally submerged right here. Look at my background. There is nothing look like to see. And here, as you can see, it's completely locked by their door. Right over here, this is their kitchen room. Everywhere only on water. Wow. So guys, we are facing lots of problem due to this flood. There is no electricity in our village. It's been 5 days. We are not able to charge our mobile phone. We are charging our phones by solar system. Look at this. our alley. Wow, it's really deadly. It's so horrible flood. After a long time, this flood came once again in our village. My parents saying first time it was happened, it was 2018, and right now this is their another people's courtyard. There are lots of bamboo cup as well. So guys, how was my video? If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe my channel. Bye, and see you in the next time with another amazing video. Bye.